Oh, there's a heron too. Look at all this. There's a bunch of babies. There's a heron. He's walking over there. There's a bunch of babies. Bunch of babies. There's a bunch of geese. Like the birds over here, man. Where'd that heron go? Oh, there he is. Uh-oh, what's he gonna do? He's gonna get him a fish. Can't see him anymore though. Let's take a look at all these babies. Here's some more over here. Where are they going?
Hey, Pop.
Babies, they're so cute. More babies there. Hello, babies.